Japanese pasta. Japanese pasta. Japanese pasta. Noodles. Japanese noodles. Japanese noodles. Fried cabbage, carrots, and bell pepper. I put some little bit pork slice. Yummy. Japanese pasta. Japanese noodles. This is Japanese pasta. Japanese noodles. Sarap. I will cook with the cabbage, carrots. Cabbage, carrots, bell pepper. So delicious. I try this dish for my family. Hope they will like it. Japanese noodles. I will fry with cabbage, carrots, and bell pepper, and then some sliced pork. Thank you for watching, my dear friend all over the world. Please continue subscribe. Thank you, and watch and share. Thank you for continuous support. Yes. That is so good. Thank you for the delicious food, Lord. Japanese noodles. Yes, delicious. So delicious. Japanese noodles. So delicious.